All right, guys, we're here, Texas Roadhouse, in Miramar, Florida, and we're trying a 12-ounce ribeye with a baked potato and fresh vegetables. See this, guys. Let's try it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That gets a big. Let's try sweet potato. Look at that. Pretty good, pretty good. Vegetables. Sweet potato and vegetables both get a big boom. Last but not least, Maury's bone. Look at that, guys. Wow. Try it. That's gas. Anyways, Maury's bone. It's a big boom. Ratings, ribeye. I'll give it 7.9. Sweet potato, 7.7. Vegetables, 7.3. Maury's bone ribeye, 10. Come try, guys.